Learning more skills will not get you hired. In fact, it's probably the reason you're still stuck. Let me explain why. Let me explain exactly why this is happening. Most people think, once I learn one more course, one more tool, one more framework, I'll be ready. So they keep learning. More tutorials, more certifications, more skills, but no job. The problem is not your skill level. It's your lack of positioning and proof. Companies don't hire based on what you know. They hire based on what you can show. You don't need more skills. You need to translate your skills into results. That's the difference between learners and people who get hired. Step 1. Build proof. Instead of learning 10 tools, pick one skill and build. 2-3 real projects, case studies, a clean portfolio. Even better, use AI to polish your work and present it professionally. Step 2. Position yourself. Stop saying, I'm learning front end. Say, I build fast, responsive websites that improve user experience. Same skill, different perception. Step 3. Target, don't spam. Most people apply everywhere. That's why they get ignored. Instead, research companies. Tailor your pitch. Show relevant work. Quality beats quantity. Reality check. You don't get hired for knowing more. You get hired for being useful and visible. So stop collecting skills. Start building proof. If you want, I can show you how to use AI to do this faster. Comment proof and I'll share it. I am Lawrence. Visit skilldential.com to decode high-level career skills through urban systems logic. I'll see you in the next video.